Hi Raquel, so here I am in the instructor site for Goss. You can see I'm in his course. If you scroll down here, you're going to click on this link for Cognero. That's our test generator software. It will open up into a new window, and we are going to create a new test. So here we are, click create new test. We'll give it a name. And it'll just filter into this folder here that says My Tests. We're going to build an empty test that will allow you to select your own questions. Hit Finish. And now here is my empty test. So here we are, Soc 101, Fall 2017, test number 1. Sociology in Our Times is the intro Soc text, or the Soc 101 book. So we're going to start off with chapter 1. So you're just going to drag and drop the entire question bank for chapter 1, and it will go into this open window here. You're going to select Edit. That will allow you to select one question at a time. And then where it says View, I want you to make sure that you're looking at all questions so that it will open up all questions that are available for each chapter. So now we're going to be viewing all 150 questions that are available just for chapter 1 alone. Goss usually picks out his questions pre-selected. So if he's done that, and if he's telling you that he wants, let's say, question 16 from chapter 1, here it is. All you have to do is take your mouse and drag it over into this into the empty test that we just created. Notice how when I'm hovering the question over, it does give a little outline box. You just want to make sure that that is what's highlighted, because now when I've added that question over, and once it loads into there, here is my question. So this is the one that we just added over. So you're just going to continue to do that. So you're finding your questions. Here's some multiple choice. Remember, we want to make sure that the Soc test is highlighted, and you'll see we're just adding in those questions. So once you've selected all the ones you want from chapter 1, you're just going to X out here and then drag over chapter 2. So you can drag over, oops, let's go back here. We're working on this one. Drag over chapter 2. So here we are at chapter 2. Make sure you're going to view all questions, and then you'll repeat the same process. So once you've selected all of the questions that you want for each test, so let's bring this one over just to show you again, make sure it's highlighted. Here's our test. So now, when you've added your questions, you're going to drag over the test so that here's the test that we've created. So here we go. And then you can go up here and export it. You can print it to PDF. So when you print a PDF, that's how you're going to view it as how you'd hand it in class. You can do a single version of the test, or you can do multiple versions, which would just allow, no two students would have the same exact question order. If you've got any questions, let me know, but this is the process to create it. I will delete these 3 questions here, but you will see that this Soc 101 test will still be open, so you can start with that one, and then you can go through and repeat the process to create one for Soc 102. Thanks.